Dear viewers, to another episode of Together. Today our episode is about hearing disability, a very big subject but an important one, as we have hearing disability all over the country, whether it's acquired, whether it's from birth on. The hearing function are one of the most basic functions that a human being acquires when he is born, when he grows up and everything. It's something instinctual that they have in them. So a human doesn't consider how precious hearing is until he actually loses it, whether in an accident or due to a disease or anything else. Hearing can be explained as stimulants moving from the outer ear into the middle ear, then they reach the inner ear where they find the acoustic nerve, which transmits the stimulants to the brain's auditory processing centers, thus making the person hear or understand the information that is given to them. To explain more to us about this subject, our Dr. Khaled طيبة, who is a ENT and a cochlear implant surgeon, then the director or chairman of Saudi Deaf Society. Also with us is Dr. Heidi Al-Askari, who is deputy executive director for research at Prince Sultan bin Salman Research Center, and also a speech language pathologist. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
First off, Dr. طيبة, hearing disability. I mean, when you hear it, hearing disability has a huge definition. Can you just define it to us in parts so people can understand it?
First, thank you for inviting us in this program. We love to talk about this because a lot of people like to hear about the hearing from all aspects, which inshallah we'll go through it through the program. As you just mentioned, the hearing with all parts, which we're going to show you soon in the video clip animation. But interestingly, everybody should be aware about the hearing start in the first 3 months of gestation.
Okay.
First 3 months of life in the during pregnancy, the hearing number one sensation start in the human.
Okay.
And it continue to develop after that, but the most important structure develop in the first 32 weeks of pregnancy. I will ask maybe the director to get us this video clip which show, as you just mentioned, the different part of hearing in this nice animation.
If we can go to the laptop, please. Yes, thank you.
Function of a cochlear implant, we will follow the path traveled by any sound under normal conditions. The sound wave travels through the ear channel. And reaches the cochlea via the middle ear. In the cochlea, the sound wave is transformed into electrical pulses, which travel down the nerves to the brain. Then the sound is processed. The sound is transmitted at a high speed. The cochlea plays an important role in the complete hearing process. The cochlea consists of 3 little channels filled with fluid. The incoming sound wave travels through the fluid and stimulates thousands of hairs on the top of the hair cells. The hair cells convert the mechanical energy into electrical impulses which stimulate the nerve fibers. They form the acoustic nerve which sends the message to the brain.